Hi, I'm Michelle Sedes, co-author of the Coping with Depression blog for HealthyPlace. And today I'm talking about using the power of distraction to cope with depression. Yes, it's true, we don't want to ignore our feelings or repress them, but if we're thinking negative, harmful, depressed thoughts all day long, we will tend to feel depressed all day long. So here is where distraction comes in. The goal in distraction is to shift our focus away from those harmful, negative, depressed thoughts onto things that we find engaging, that we enjoy. The key is to distract the right way. The wrong way would be to indulge in food, excess alcohol, binge watch TV for hours on end. When we do this, we take ourselves out of self-care since we're not giving ourselves proper nutrition or exercise. And we want to put ourselves back in self-care by thinking about things that will contribute to positive mind, body, and spirit. One thing you can do is to write a list. Write a list of those things that you enjoy doing that capture your attention. And the next time you feel overwhelmed with the depressed thoughts, go to that list and see if you feel better by doing those things. Again, Michelle Sedes, co-author of the Coping with Depression blog for HealthyPlace. Thanks for watching.